this cover off here, just grab it in the front and just pull it straight up. And same in the back. Pull it straight up. This PCV hose, I'm just gonna remove the hose clamp. Just use some hose clamp pliers. And just grab the hose, twist it, pull it off. Just set that aside. Just push down on this tab, disconnect the connector, and slide it off. And take that bolt out. It's a 10mm socket. Take that out. Just grab the coil and slide it out. Straight up. Just make sure the spark plug tube is cleaned out. Use a little compressed air. It's all good. Take the new coil, put a little dielectric grease in the end, just a little bit, and line it up. Take the bolt, get the bolt started, and we'll snug it up. And connect the connector, lock it in place. We can torque this bolt to 62 inch-pounds. And we're going to do the same with the other coils. This back coil, if you have to disconnect this hose to get it out of the way, just disconnect it just like we disconnected this hose. And take the hose, slide it back onto the PCV valve, and put the hose clamp back in position. I'll just take the cover. You can use a little bit of soapy water on the pins to help put the cover back in. And just line it up. And push it down, you're good to go.